English with Patharaja.
Activity 5. Fill in the blanks using this or that. Now see, we have to describe the things in the near. And here we use this. This is my pencil. Now see faraway things. Right now see here using right pointing your hands and the finger using that. Here this one also we have to use that. That is my bag. Right? That is my bag. That is my bottle. That is my bottle. Here this. This is my house. Here that. That is my desk. Here this. This is my car. This is my car. Activity 6. Write these numbers in words. Here number 2. Number 5. 5. Here number 7. 7. 7. Here number 10. 10. Here 3. 3. Here 8. 8. Now see the numbers. 2, 5, 7, 10, 3, 8. Now see the words. 2, 5, 7, 10, 3, 8.